Okay, so what we'll need to do is go into GP, 1Staff back office, and temporary placement. We'll find our temporary placement, and here we have it here. So what we want to do is uncheck the allow WebTime entry. Click on save. Next, we'll go into WebTime and update that information. As you can see, it says update complete. Now, we'll go back into GP, into the window, and what we're going to do now is update the approver. So we have the other approver that we want to use. We'll select that. Then we'll click on Allow WebTime Entry. We'll save the record. Okay. Then we'll go over into WebTime once again, and we'll click on the Update button. Update is complete. Your approver is now updated.